So today we are going to be making a crispy pork belly. First, what you need is a boiling hot water, and you are then going to slowly lay this pork belly into that boiling hot water, carefully like it is your firstborn child. Now drop in some bay leaves, 2 of them to be specific, and then we are going to be adding some seasoning and some salt in here, about 2 tablespoons of salt or 1.5 tablespoons of salt. And then we're going to be adding some whole peppercorns in here. There we go. Take a look. You can count how many we added there. I couldn't really count. Just a good amount. It doesn't really matter. And then after that, we are then going to gently poke this meat, just saying, hey, you're going to get cooked. And then we're going to cover that meat. And we are just going to wait until it boils off and until it's tender. All right, now let's take a look. Now that it is boiling, as you can see, it is now pretty much in hell. It's really, really hot. Now we're gonna add a little bit more hot water there because some of the water have evaporated already, and we want to make sure that the meat is fully covered. All right, now just to kind of test things out, gently poke your fork to see how tender the meat is. As you can see, it is very tender already. And this is about going approximately about over an hour of cooking. So it really depends on how high your heat is going to be. There we go. So you would want to check this occasionally and just check after like 20-30 minutes and see how tender it is. And once you feel that it's very tender, as you can see, we're poking this meat vigorously and really no mercy at this one. You can see, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm only doing the voiceover of this. It's actually my mom who's actually cooking this. So yeah, she is definitely torturing that pork belly right there. Okay, I think she finally figured out that it's pretty tender, and now she's going to be removing it from being boiled. And there we go. She is okay. Zoomed out. Okay. Oh, calm down. All right, now she is then going to put it on the plate, and we're just gonna let it rest. All right, here's that nice tender pork belly. Damp it with the paper towel, and as you can see, this is the best part of pork belly, when you can see that nipple right there. Yes, I did say nipple. Actually, that is really the best part. Yes. Yeah, damp it, make sure you get it really dry, and then you can see those forks again, right? So you know what's gonna happen. You're gonna gently scrape that pork belly. You want to make a little bit of insertion in there, just make it, you know, porous. And once you have done doing all this, you know, torturing this pork belly, making it really suffer, you know, this is going to be actually a really good process by doing this. Poke those pork belly out. Oh, and as you can see, all those juices coming out of that pores. Oh my god, that is just absolutely going to be clogging your arteries right there. Oh man, I tell you what, this is going to be very, very delicious. After all that process, you would then, you know, saran wrap this pork belly. But the thing is that we didn't really get to show in here is that you want to coat it with salt so you can have that seasoning. And then the reason why we're gonna, you know, saran wrap this and we're gonna actually put it into the refrigerator is because we want that to dry up. We want all these excess liquid to evaporate, and once it evaporates, it's going to be cooking into the oven, or you can actually cook it deep fried. And the purpose of that is that you are not going to have a lot of these oil splashes. Okay, time for the best part. Preheat your oven 350 degrees. Oh yes, this is going to be the best part of the cooking process, as we are going to be putting this lovely pork belly into some inferno of heat. Okay, I think we did about 400 degrees actually, but eventually, this is my part of the video. I actually ended up, you can see my slippers right there, wow. I actually ended up putting this on broil because it just makes things, you know, a lot faster to get that crisp of a pork belly. Oh man, look at this. This is absolutely what is a food that is to die for. All right, look at that. Oh man, look at that skin just bubbling right in front of you as I am doing a voiceover in here. I am slightly drooling as well. I do miss this food already. Oh man, I've already processed this into my digestive system already, but this is, oh my goodness, look at all that juice. The fattiness, the meat. Oh, the best part really is the skin. It's crispy, delicious. Oh yeah, now that we're done in here, it's time for us to slice it up and time to serve it. And ooh, like I said, I'm just drooling right now, just even doing a voice recording on this. I think I'm kind of like torturing myself by doing this. Oh man. Oh, look at that. That is just delicious. Look how juicy that is. This is such a simple and easy recipe to make a crispy pork belly. Oh man, here we go. We can't make this pork belly without a dipping sauce. And as you can see, we have chilies, we have garlic, we have onion. We're gonna mix this all up, and we're gonna add some vinegar as well. Oh my god, this is so delicious, and I bet you are drooling all over this. Try not to eat your phone or TV or whatever. Oh, if you want to see more of our food videos in here, subscribe and turn your notification on, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, chef out.